Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, this is Restoration Rescue, and hopefully this is our last day welding. Alright, so like we said last week, we did find a little bit more rust on the cab than we had originally found, which we found some right up in here that needs to get taken care of on this part of the cab. There's a hole right here, it looks like someone bit something out. But I need to cut this out, so what we're gonna do is put a blade right down the edge of this and across and cut it out and then just put in a new panel. Shouldn't take that long, which for us means it's gonna take all day. We have this side, the other side, and also on the inside of the cab, we still have the transmission cover that we need to weld in and then bolt in. So that will be good to go. We'll get it outside and start hopefully sandblasting next week. So that looks pretty good. We got it ground down pretty nicely. So you can almost not even believe that I did that because it's just so good looking. So we still have up here, we have this little patch to come in and do. And then we also have spot welds that we have to put in down this panel. So make sure it connects, because right now it's just loose fitting and it's connected only by this piece right here. And then we have to come down here a little bit and fix that right there. Then we're gonna jump on the other side where there's a couple more just like that. But first, let's go out and cut a piece for up here and put it in. All right, so we've taken care of that, and we're not gonna show you the other side because that's just gonna be mundane and it's gonna just be showing it over and over again. So what we're doing now is we have jumped inside the cab and we're gonna get to spot welding this transmission cover in to where it needs to go. There's a pair of holes that line up right here in the corner, as well as it lines up with the centerpiece, but we need to get these holes lined up first and the holes on the outside of the cab, so that we can start spot welding this in and we can start making this a whole cab. All right, everyone, that panel is in. That took a lot of work. There was a lot of metal beading that had to be done. So when I pulled the original panel out, it was obviously like this, spot welded together. I drilled the spot welds out, but they don't pop. As always, they just don't pop off, and it's magical world of this is awesomeness. So what I had to do is I had to put a screwdriver or a pry bar behind it, and I pulled it. And on a lot of them, the back panel, which is the cab, is still there. So I popped it out and it's not exactly flush. So when we came in and I had to put in the new one, obviously those were out. So I had to bang that in. Also, the panel inside is not perfect by any means. From the factory, none of the metal panels that I have used on this project are perfect. They're pretty good. They're made pretty right on, but they do need some persuasion, so we metal beat that in. So that is gonna be a wrap for today's video. We got this side all the way done on my right today, and you guys saw that. I'll be taking care of that side with that little slit on my own off camera, so I don't have to bore you guys with any more welding. So make sure you guys snap that 10% discount with Restoration Rescue as the coupon code at OSNAP for some awesome gear. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and it will help you guys out because we'll be coming out with some more awesome content. We'll see you guys next Saturday.